design of the new product of FMS, Suzuki Jimny, is truly compelling. Every real car detail of this RC has been beautifully executed. With astonishing detail like foldable rear-wheel mirror, it hits a new high in RC models. Full-function LED light provides low high beam feature. Equipped with a simultaneous control turning signal lamp, fog lamp, stop lamp, and reversing lamp, it puts its vividness even further. You will find it more striking with the sophisticated detail in the cabin. The back seat can be put down to suffice exceptionally spacious environment for all occupants. Even the driver's seat and passenger seat can be put down to suit your different needs. The slidable front seats give you more real car experience. To realize simultaneous control of the steering wheel, an independent servo is adopted by our engineers. Besides emulation, FMS adopts real car chassis on this RC, which makes you very hard to tell if it's a real car. In the transmission case are metal gear, metal universal joint shaft, and 2-speed transmission, making its outstanding off-road performance beyond all doubt. By having Jimny, your adventure begins.